Saichaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Saichaitanya. In today's video, we'll do the speed test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus the Oneplus Nord CE device. As you can see, friends, so here's a Oneplus Nord CE and here's the iQOO 7 smartphone. So let's see, friends, which phone will be having the better kind of speed test by using 25 applications. Yes, friends, 25 applications. So I do know the normal user will be definitely using maybe close to 15 applications, I think so, but I just want to push its kind of limits in both phones. That is the reason I'm thought of using this kind of 25 applications right now, as you can see here, friends, clearly. So let's start with the first thing to reboot test. Let's see, friends, which phone will be able to reboot first. So every time I'm trying to miss this kind of reboot test while I'm trying to do the speed test. Let's see. And in case if you enjoy this kind of speed test comparison, so definitely make sure to check the processor speed test comparison. So which only for the users who are interested, I have created this kind of processor speed test, which will be really interesting to watch. And don't forget to check the 4G plus speed test as well. That will be really good to watch as well in terms of the 4G speeds to know which phone will be having better kind of 4G. So right now, as you can see, friends, the Oneplus Nord CE has got the Snapdragon 750G processor and the iQOO 7 has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset. That's really powerful. So it's kind of double the performance. As you can see right now, the iQOO 7 device has been already booted up and the Oneplus Nord CE still booting up at this point, as you can see. And finally, the Oneplus Nord CE also got booted up successfully, as you can see, friends, clearly. So now let me need to connect to the same Wi-Fi network. So both phones will be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So let me need to do that first. I'll let you change the 5 GHz network and Bluetooth is turned off, everything. As you can see, friends, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network at this point. Same. Let me try to disable the dark mode again. Let me try to connect to the 5 GHz, yes. And then I'll try to disable the dark theme as well. I don't want to use this kind of dark theme during this kind of testing. That's definitely distracting. Let me try to disable, yes. Now let me try to clear all the background applications. I'm trying to clear everything. And both phones are the 8GB RAM variants. Obviously, the iQOO 7 has got the external RAM capabilities. That is the reason we do have the 11GB of RAM here. 8GB plus 3GB. And OnePlus Nord CE is 8GB, as you can clearly see, friends. So now let's see which phone will be able to perform the speed test faster in terms of the basic applications. Basic 25 applications I have selected here. So these are really very basic applications, friends. So there's nothing much complicated to do in this kind of opening and closing test. Let's see which phone will be able to perform first. And I did enable the 120Hz refresh rate and 90Hz refresh rate in this both phones. That's the one thing which I thought of mentioning. So let's start with the first application, which is the clock application. So both did open at same time. Let me try to I'm trying to keep this in the background. Clock, and next is a DRM info as well. I'm trying to keep this as open. And next is a music application, and both are open at the same time, not much difference. And the YouTube. So sorry for that, friends. Let me need to restart the YouTube or music application first. Let me need to do that. Yes. So now both phones did load at the same time. This is the iQOO 7 and the OnePlus Nord CE. Let's start with this other application, which is the touch sampling. I'm trying to use this as the background as well. This is a small writing. Let me need to go back to the home screen. So let's open the Google Chrome. Let's see, friends, which phone will be able to. I think the iQOO 7 did open slightly faster, the Google Chrome little bit, but not much. WhatsApp also slightly faster in the iQOO 7 device. Instagram also faster in the iQOO 7 device. Flipkart, as you can see, loaded faster in the iQOO 7 device as well. Even the Flipkart. Next is Amazon shopping, as you can see, loaded first in the Amazon in the iQOO 7 device first. And next, let me need to open next application, which is a YouTube. YouTube first in this iQOO 7 device, as you can clearly see. I'm trying to keep this my channel in the background as well, as you can see. These are my recently uploaded videos. Let me need to go back, and next is a speed test. Even speed test I'm trying to keep in the background. Let me try to do the test at the same time. Let's see which phone will be able to have what kind of speeds. So same Wi-Fi, they are connected, both phones. I'm just trying to keep this speed test in the background in both phones. Let's see, friends, what will happen. And in case if you want me to do any other comparison, so make sure to let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I can do that kind of comparison with other smartphones. So using this OnePlus Nord CE comparing with other phones. So these were the 25 applications. This is my first time I'm trying to do this with this kind of testing, 25 apps. That's a really interesting test to see. So every day, if possible, I'll try to compare this kind of speed test with other smartphones as well, if every day. Next is Play Store, slightly faster in the iQOO 7 device. Next is the camera. Let's see which phone will be able to open the camera. Both phones did open kind of camera faster. Next is the Facebook. Slightly first in the OnePlus Nord CE, as you can see, friends, clearly. Next is Amazon Prime. Both are kind of same, nothing much difference. Next is Ghana. You can see the Ghana. What will happen with the Ghana? I think both are kind of loaded at same time. Not much difference in the Ghana. Myntra. Nothing much difference. Even Myntra as well. And Paytm. Same. So these are the very general applications, friends. That is what I'm trying to use. So I'm not I am waiting for the RAM management. So which phone will be having opening in all this kind of 25 applications? That is what I'm going to check. Which phone can actually do that? This is a dialer. Messages. Gallery application, as you can see, it's a gallery. So next is the calendar. Both are having the calendar. Let me do it quickly. And next is calculator. So now we did open 25 applications in the background, as you can see, starting from the first application, which is a clock, as you can see. So now let's see, friends, which phone will be having this kind of applications in the background. Let's see the first one first. Let's see whether this clock will be in the background or not. Yes, it's in the background in both phones, as you can see, friends. Now let's start with the one by one. That's good, not bad. So iQOO 7 did not load at all. As you can see, friends, 25 applications, but still iQOO 7 did not load. Even the Oneplus Nord CE is also really doing great till here, but some applications Oneplus Nord CE is kind of loading. You did observe in the YouTube Music and in the Google Chrome, the Oneplus Nord CE did not perform that great. In other applications, it was kind of doing great. Even in the speed test as well, that's good, not bad. And Play Store, yes. So this is a kind of really intense kind of testing, friends, in the both phones, testing with the 25 applications. That's fantastic, not bad. And Paytm, yes. Sorry, Zoom, no problem. Gallery got loaded again in the Oneplus Nord CE. Calculator, yes. So overall, final thing is that a few of the applications in the Oneplus Nord CE got reloaded. Few of the applications like the YouTube Music, which got reloaded in the Oneplus Nord CE, and in the Chrome as well got reloaded in the Oneplus Nord CE sometimes. That's the one thing which I thought of mentioning before ending up this kind of video. So overall, friends, if you are trying to use the Oneplus Nord CE for the normal casual usage, so definitely you should not feel that much kind of difference between the Snapdragon 870 and the 750G. This is without any kind of gaming. So without any gaming, definitely you won't feel much difference. If you are trying to play the games, then the monster comes in the play, where the iQOO 7 will be the clear winner. But these are the basic applications which I have included, 25 applications. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.